Love give you choices, you the series of choices, and you are not responding. Collect information about you. They know you want stability, want to possess you, but you are not accepting that. Maybe you are dealing with your ex, and whatever the conversation between you and your ex, you are not telling to this person, and you are building yourself when you are breaking your heart. Still got feelings. Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your love reading, Tuesday special for the month of April. Keep in mind that these readings are general. It may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates, take guidelines, and if it not resonate with you, ignore it. Okay, Leo, let's get started. What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? And we are having here the Lovers, Page of Sword, Queen of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Nine of Sword, the Devil, Five of Sword, Four of Cups. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here Knight of Pentacles and King of Wands. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Gemini with this Lovers card, Capricorn with this Devil, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this King of Wands, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Four of Cups, Queen of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Page of Swords, Nine of Swords, Five of Swords. Let's talk about your person's feeling first. Leo, when things happens, when you feel like that the connection with this person is fated, blessed, and happening, love is happening, but it's give you a lot of choices as well. When connection is fated, this person feel like that the connection with you is divine, fated, blessed, but a lot of choices. Everyone is different from everyone, and you can't control anyone's life and anyone's the way they think. So give you choices as well. When you have to change, when you need to accept other person's changes and their flaws and their lifestyle and all that, the choice is there. Love give you choices. Sometimes when you are involving with someone and when you are moving in with someone, choice is there. You have to, what should you do? Move with this person. This is an analogy. What should you do? Move with this person or just be in your place? Choice. Then this is a series of choices. Love sometimes giving you the series of choices. So there is a choices in this person, in this love, and they feel a love connection, a bond towards you, and this person is like feel like that you are not opening up with them. A lot of emotions is all over written on your face, Leo. They can feel it. I've written all over your face. Emotions feel is bubbling inside you, emotions inside you, but you are not talking to this person. You are not responding the way this person want you to respond. You are not responding. You are just holding on your all the emotions and not talking to this person. And that's how sometimes when we buried our feelings and emotions inside us, it's give us a little bit negativity. And yes, there is, you are not talking to this person, you are not telling this person about your feelings and emotions, you are not opening up with this person. A bit negativity may be mixed in your feelings, but you are not talking to this person. And with this Page of Sword, that when you are not talking to this person is definitely do other things like when they are just checking on you, keeping an eye on you, like checking your social status, like your social platform, try to collect information about you, spying on you, collecting your information, checking your FB, your Instagram, your last scene, like talking to your friends, asking about your friends about you, that they do another they're spying and collecting information. This person is spying on you, and this person want to offer you stability. They know you want stability, you want clarity, you want stable foundation, and this person now willing to give you the stability. as I told you, a lot of emotions inside you, but you are not telling to this person. Yes, a lot of anxiety, depression, and this is the first card in your chart, Leo. You are restless, you are sleepless. There is some kind of, conflict between both of you. Conflict, you are restless, you are sleepless, and the conflict between with someone else, maybe, or maybe with this person. And there is some kind of possessive energy surrounding you. There is some kind of, pull between both of you, pull push situation. You are pushing this person, and this person is like, feel like that you are pulling them. That kind of situation between both of you with this devil's card. This person is definitely like feel some addiction, a passion, want to possess you. There is some kind of possessive energy surrounding you, and you are stubborn. There is some kind of no mood. You are offering something, this person offering you something, but you are not accepting that. You are stubborn in this situation with this four of cups and obsessive energies. Your conflicts and fight. I think you are dealing with your ex. Maybe these cards are pointing towards X, not toward this person. This is about when you are dealing with your ex, and your ex is giving you anxieties, depression. The way they used to do that, they always do that. Toxic and conflicts and fight and offering you something, and you are stubborn. This is entirely a different thing, Leo. Maybe you are dealing with your ex, and this is giving you anxieties, emotion, and emotional breakdown sometimes, and you feel some kind of possession, obsessive energies, and you are stubborn here, and fight and disagreement between both of you. And this person know that there is feelings and emotions all over on your face, but you are not telling to this person. Yes, this person feel like that you need to choose. Love always give us choices. Choose this person or choose your ex. And stability, you are slow toward this person. You want stability. You really, and yes, as I told you, that's why I think you are not telling about your conversation, whatever the conversation between you and your ex, you are not telling to this person. And that's why this person is spying on you. And stability, understanding, this is what this person want from you. This person acceptations, and this acceptation, you will understand this person. And you are in that charismatic, full of fiery energy right now, Leo. You are now, you reset your life and become more attractive and charming. This is your charm, your charisma, your social status. You are in your king of wands fiery energy. Okay, let's see what else we have for you, Leo. What else we have for Leo? What else we have for Leo? What else we have for Leo? Three cards. Page of Cups, Three of Pentacles, the Hermit. This person offering you their cup of love, and you are building yourself. A lot of building. This X thing and this person break you, and you are building yourself. This is all over new thing. And yes, there is a third party definitely for this person. There is a third party, and you want to build trust. You want to build this connection with this person. You want to build this what is broken inside you. And isolation, you are taking step back from everyone and isolating yourself and following your dreams and your intentions, analyzing your intentions, your dreams, and your wishes. You are like in isolation. Okay, let's see what else we have for you, for more information, for more insights, Leo. What else we have for you? And we are having here Two of Swords, the Hierophant, Three of Swords. Deciding something, as I told you, choices. So you are connecting to your this person, connecting, and this person feel like that you are connecting to your inner self, your brain, and you are not using your heart in this situation and try to take a decision. This person also taking some kind of decision, and you, for that, you need guideline, you need advices. And right now you need guideline from a spiritual teacher, from the close relation. Talk to the close in your life, like your mother, father, and any elder, to sort out this situation. And with this Three of Sword, heart, like someone's heart is definitely going to break in this situation. This is about when screaming inside, Leo, when you are breaking your heart, when sometime you feel like that it's breaking you down, and the conversation with your ex, it's heartbreaking. You are going to break this person's heart. You are so good. It's again breaking your own heart as well. You are hurting this person. This breaking your heart as well. Like this is hurts when you have to break ex's heart, and it's feel like that you can still feel the pain inside your heart. And by feeling that you are hurt because you hurt your ex, and you feel hurt, and you are just breaking this person's heart as well, still got feelings for this person. That kind of critical situation, the complicated thing when you break your ex heart and you feel like that you break your own heart, and when you break this person's heart by feeling the pain that this person caused you. Like it's feel like that you are not moved on completely, that's why you're feeling that pain, but it happens. Can't control that. What advice messages from your angel? Yoga and exercise are essential to your well-being, peace of mind, and spiritual growth right now. Do some yoga, Leo. Breaking heart, breaking your own heart, all that. Just meditate and do some yoga. Let's see what advice messages. Don't give up for this person. Meditate. Stop blaming his destiny. Have faith. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person is spying on you because there is a lot of emotions they can feel all over written all over your face, and they want to know what is in your mind, but you are not opening up to this person, and this person ready to give you stability, but you are dealing with your ex conflicts there, anxieties, depression, obsession, and you need guidance. You should talk to your the elder one, and you're breaking your own heart. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.